Shiba Inu holders and Cardano holders actually both set to benefit from Binance Pay and CoinGate partnership. So, of course, Shib got listed on Binance way back in the early days, one of the huge reasons why Shiba Inu blew up. And since then, Binance has continued to show just a ton of support for Shib in a multitude of ways. One of the ways is Binance Pay. Now, Shiba Inu is one of those cryptos that when we get to the point where people are transacting with crypto, Shib's going to have a huge leg up. It's already forming a ton of those relationships with companies like Binance Pay, Now Payments, right? And so many other payment processing companies and payment, crypto gateways and things like this. Now, Shib and ADA holders set to benefit from an interesting partnership here between Binance Pay and CoinGate. We're going to talk about why that is in this video, break it down for you, and then we're going to take a look at the prices across the board right now as we enter the weekend, which are, pretty flatlined right now. In these last few days, we've been coming down in the cryptocurrency market. We'll see if we can maybe, predict a reversal here this weekend. Or Binance, the world's leading crypto exchange by trading volume, not even close, has announced a huge strategic partnership with Lithuanian fintech firm CoinGate. So this collaboration is going to allow Binance Pay users to conduct transactions at CoinGate affiliate merchants using Shib and other Binance Pay supported digital assets. Now, we know how big Binance Pay is. Its contactless and borderless payment technology currently supports over 70 cryptos. Of course, Cardano is one of those. Polygon is one of those. Shib is one of those. The platform aims to drive mainstream adoption of crypto payments by allowing users to purchase their goods and services from participating merchants using their crypto. Several businesses have started accepting crypto payments through Binance Pay over the years, and we think, anybody that's big in the industry thinks that this is going to get bigger and bigger and bigger. Earlier this year, Binance users in France started being able to pay with crypto at retail stores, thanks to new partnerships between the world's largest crypto exchange and Ingenico, a leading provider of in-store payment terminals. But CoinGate, which was, established way back in 2014, has been instrumental in promoting the adoption of Shiba Inu and Cardano, as well as other payment methods. Now, this company has forged partnerships with prominent merchants, including small and medium enterprises, to enable over 200 online stores to accept crypto. On February 28th, Binance said that thanks to this partnership between Binance and CityPay.io, which creates high-tech systems for businesses enabling them to receive customer payments, Binance users in former Soviet Republic Georgia can now pay with crypto at Wendy's restaurants and at more than 600 other vendors. Shib is a part of that, and it's all through Binance Pay. Now, notably, earlier this month, something else with Binance happened. Binance has moved the coin at Shiba Inu out of its innovation zone. This is bullish. The innovation zone was created to provide a safer space for users to access newer tokens, but it also restricted access for less experienced users. Now, it is opened up to everybody on Binance. By moving Shib out of the innovation zone, Binance is making this token more accessible to a wider range of users on its platform. As we already mentioned, it's the largest platform there is when it comes to trading. Now, Shib right here at the 10.6 level, still ranked number 14, still over a $6 billion market cap. And we'll be tracking this closely because the low here got down to 10.45. You guys know where I like to accumulate more Shib is. If we drop that zero, that's where I look to accumulate. So we'll see if we break that barrier. We have not yet done that here in the 7-day. You can see we broke down to about the 10.9 range, 10.8 range, and then we broke down again down to that 10.6 range. If we take a look at this 1 month view, we have not been down below that 10 level. In the 3-month zone, we did dip down below it just briefly back on March 10th. So that's where I'm looking to potentially accumulate more Shib. I always like to add to my bag down there when we get back to 5 zeros. We'll see if we get there or if this weekend has something else in store. Shib historically has run pretty hot throughout the weekend. So we'll see what happens there. Appreciate you guys as always. We'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel down below. Hit that notification bell. Click all notifications so you don't miss out any content that we put out right here on YouTube. Appreciate you guys. Have a fantastic weekend. Take care.